Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Peelfessor Frink. It's this Springfielder Peely version of the skin, so sort of classic Peely but with Peelfessor Frink's look. So what I'm going to do is do a full body shot. I'm going to do his big old glasses first of all, so 2 circles in sort of the top area around here. So I'm going to go get in there and go in the top there, come around this way, draw a nice circular area around there, and then on the left here just draw the other side of these glasses. So again, really nice big circular area. Right around like that. There we go. In the middle of these, 2 little lines to show that they're glasses, and then we've got the little handle over onto the left, so 2 little lines out like that, just bring them down there. No real ear because it's Peely head, so let's go upwards from there. I can bring the side on the left up here for Peely hair, so come upwards this way, just kick it out there and just return it a little bit. And on this side, I'm going to come up from this part of the glasses, so just bring your pen up to about here. It's got this little peely bit that kicks out over this way, so just going to draw the little piece of peel coming around here, so it goes down this way right by those glasses, kicks out a bit there, then returns on itself up and in there. I'm just going to pipe that area, so all I need to do just give a little piped area, show like the skin on that side like that, and then I just need to go upwards probably about here, just bring my pen up, kick it up there, and then up here I've got those sort of classic Frink kind of curtains hair. So what I'm going to do, it's like almost like a little V here, so I'm going to come out from the right, I'm going to kick out here, draw a piece of hair, sort of curtains down this way, back up there. On the other side, let's create that V by going up this way here, down like that. We're going to come around where we just drawn that little dink, back around this way and in, and then he's got like another little piece hair just kicking around there, another behind here, so just kicking around this way here, and then finally there's the middle bit, so going at the top there and over at the top and in there. We can just draw a nice little kind of line in the middle there, and we've got his classic haircut. Now there's a little line down the middle, sort of like banana peel line. I'm just going to put a hint of a line there, and then this bit, this kicks down here where it kind of comes apart from the top of his head. Bring that back up there, and then we've just got a little hint of a little bit of banana underneath, so a couple of little lines, and that's all I need to do there. Now I'm going to come down where the neck is, so the banana neck of Frink sort of comes out to here, and from the glasses point probably comes out, widens out around there. Now what I'm going to do, he's got his mouth, he's got his hand up to his mouth here. So what I'm going to do is just going to pop, there's a little collar here, just pop a little piece in there, curve it around to there. Then coming down this way, I've got a little bit of a diagonal, kind of starts a bit higher here, comes down like that, around to an elbow here, and then we'll go back round. Kick it out there at a wrist, we've got the sleeve of his jacket. Draw a nice curve to cap that off. And then I can draw his little hand on here. So I'm going to start about there, going to start drawing top of his hand coming up. So coming up this way here. Out there, got a finger there. Another one just around it. And then finally there's like a little finger that sort of goes out and dinks out there. And then we'll just go back in, just draw the palm just there. I think there's a little thumb element just pops out there. Then I can draw his little mouth in. So it's got these two little dinky teeth sort of sticking out. I'm gonna go, start there, I'm gonna go 1, 2 for the teeth. And then I'm gonna draw a little smile around there like that. And then just fill in either side. So he's looking a little bit quizzical. There's also a little bit of banana sort of edging, a little bit of detail there. So I'll pop that in. Okay, let's look at the coat. It's got a lab coat on here. I've just drawn a bit of a collar there. So I've got another collar coming out this way. So I can come out about here, just draw a little collar coming out and in. And then the lab coat collar comes out again, just kicks down this way, down like that. And then I can draw the inside of the coat sort of falling, curving around there and down. So from the neck area, I'm going to come down here, let it fall all the way to about there. Now, this curves around here. And then we're going to go back up. I'm going to go up to about here. Then don't forget just to add a little bump out on a sort of U shape. Fill it up at the top, so close it off for a little pocket. And then we'll just continue the line sort of coming up this way to about there. While I'm here, I'm going to just put his arm, he's got his other arm coming down this way and his hand there. So I'm going to let it flow from that collar area, curve it down sort of with the coat and in. We're going to cap it off around there, and then I'm just going to sort of just come in that way there so it's almost closed up. And then I've got a little thumb for the hand there, and then I'm going to come out about here for the hand, just curve around that little thumb area around like that, and that's all I need to do. On this side, let's draw the coat coming down here. So on the inside part here, just going to go from about this point, you're going to just let the pen fall, curve it in a little bit, come down to about there, curve your pen, bring it up ever so slightly, and then I'm going to bring my pen up to the elbow part here. So I'm just going to bring it up, maybe just curve it out because it's that banana-y shape, and then bring it back in on itself about there. Little hint of the other collar that's coming down there, so just that little tapered bit. So we've got these little bits either side there. Maybe we can just kick that in like that so they match up a little bit. And then again, we've got another little pocket here. So I'm gonna curve there and then just draw another little U shape there. So right in the middle here, sort of start filling in the torso. He's got a rectangular belt, so it's a good way to split the trouser area. I'm gonna just draw a nice sort of slightly curved rectangular area there. And then either side of that, just gonna pop a couple of lines, little bands there. This belt, it's got 3 little rectangular bits in it. And then I can work on the shirt area here. So he's got a bow tie on. So I'm just gonna give a hint of this bow tie. So I'm gonna just start below this little finger here. Just draw a little curve. Maybe a couple of little lines up. Then I'm gonna come out, it's almost like a bone shape, I suppose. I'm gonna come out, sort of scoop it out there, scoop it out here and then into his finger, and then the other one, the other side sort of just scoops underneath his hand there. There's a hint of a collar, and you see a little bit of that there. It's just a little curve on that left-hand side. And then on the right, we'll just go about this point, we're just gonna curve it there and then just draw the lower part of that there. That collar's done. Now he's got 3 little test tubes on a band here, so what I'm gonna do is draw 3 little test tubes or U shapes. Let's go, start at the bottom here. We're going to go like one there, a little bit at the top. We've got one here, so bring it down and up across. And we've got one here, so bring your pen down around like that. Then we've got a band, so I'm gonna just sort of fill in a little strap along these test tubes like that. And I'm gonna just draw a curved line sort of through these test tubes here. And then just one at the top to show the strap at the top there going through. So it's got those test tubes on a little strap element there. Maybe we'll just draw a little curve at the top where the green liquid he's got on is being held. A couple of shirt buttons, 1, 2 circles, and then we're down to the trouser area. So I'm gonna draw one leg there, one leg there. I'm gonna come down on the right first of all. Sort of from about here, we're just gonna draw a nice curve down to his shins, and they flare out a bit just there. Curve round on yourself, bring your pen out again, and it kind of curve back inwards then. And then we just curve up ever so slightly to a midsection. Trouser area is probably around there, so or mid element there. Then I'm going to curve my pen down a little bit further on the inside leg here, so just a curve down there. Taper it out again, little trouser material lines, doesn't hurt. Curve around at the bottom of the trousers and come up here, and then just wiggle the pen a bit, sort of give it that sort of trouser-like look. Now while we're there, we've got the bottom of the lab coat to just fill in under here, so I'm gonna just put a little curve there, and then that curve will continue around that way. Then we've just got the shoes. I've got one kind of trainer shoe this way, one shoe this way. So for this one, I'm gonna come outwards over there, this way to the right. Bring your pen out, curve it down there. Curve it around like that. And then up where there's a heel. What I'm gonna do is just pipe that lower area. And then there's a little white cap on this shoe. Just draw a little curve there. And over here, the shoe comes down a little bit more pronounced to the front. So I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna bring my pen down, curve it down to the bottom of it there. I'm gonna curve around here. And then we're just gonna loop it up to the trouser area there. A little bit of a sole area there. And then I'm just going to do a little curve here at the front of that shoe, so just curve it around like that. Then while I'm there, I might as well just block in the shoe with a black ink. And then I'm ready to go ahead and just colour up this Peely mashup. So there we go. There's Peelfessor Frink. It's a Springfielder Peely alternate skin style. It's from the new Fortnite season, crossover with the Simpsons. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who I can draw next, and I'll see you again soon. Alright, bye for now.